every one of us can leave whenever we want to, or whenever we look at each other. That's how this one is. So with this Monday, and as ready as we can be, we just sometimes freestyle, make it up on the spot. I love what you guys talk about the painting and stuff like that. So this is totally unplanned. Alright. So time the order. Once upon a time I thought I was doing that. I thought that being order and doing things in time was normal. And I didn't live a bad life. But my life was pretty tough for a little while. And then I walked along, walked into my office one day, and I seen this chap. My brother from another mother. And he rocks up to me with this pamphlet and he goes, "Bro, check this out. Time the order, bro." Yeah. Shit. I just walked away from him. Because we worked together, and I'm like, "Oh, yeah. Bro, I know you." Nah, I didn't know. The way did I know? Thought I knew. So along the way, we bumped into each other again, and he said to me, "Bro, just graduated." I'm like, "You need to graduate from university? What the short span of time? He goes, "Oh, bro, the program, time order." What do you mean program? What, so you have to go and you have to talk to somebody that tells you that you're going to be a good time? Yeah, I was pretty eager, right? So, then things started happening through my life. And I've been to Waitangi, I've been all over the place, everywhere, and I kind of missed that involvement of being with other people like mine, but at the same time, being able to share, being able to speak straight up with each other, and be straight up with each other, without any bullshit, or anything like that. Just be straight up, because when you need to talk to somebody, you got to talk to somebody. You have to talk. Can't just follow it up. And I rocked in there one night. But this is after meeting B-Man and Kimmy. See, I kind of like stayed away from them for a while. And I was seeing all these gangs that way. And I was thinking, man, they're having fun. But all I was doing was picking my boy up from Mokaama and rocking out of there. But at the same time, I thought, are these the type of people, are these people out here? Well, where did they come from? I'd seen them around before. Who are they? And when I found out what their mahi was a little bit, the first thing that I got from them was, "Oh, this is cool, it's called Kuaoa." Looked at it, I'm like, "Oh, you call a Y." Shit. I had another choice course. You get it, man? So, cut a long story short, I walked in one night. But when I walked in there one night, I saw a couple of these, and a couple of and at that time, man, I was like, shit. And then one person gets up and they start banging, and I go, "Oh, you're getting to me. I'm getting talked to. They just acknowledged me, I just walked through the door." And I start looking around, I see a couple of other players. One of my clients. Oh, I'm going to expose myself to the world. Tell them who I am. And at the same time, wish and hope that what I'm going to tell you face to face and share with you my heart, that you're going to be out in the community and tell everybody. And everybody. But we're mine. We're mine. My clients, the time I was working, they were relative. Who's remember?
The police officer, the guidance officer used to come to our school and tell us, he used to do all the mean raps at our schools. He used to sit up on stage and say something like, "It's cool to be at school. He used to little rap about it, little joke. Something like, "Don't be a fool and come to school. It's cool and it's all good." But I don't know how to rap
So, saying that, I had to relabel myself because I had been called a school pig. So then I started to think about, where's all the stress coming from? Duh. So, when I used to go back to the schools, I used to talk to them. So when I used to go back and talk to all these people that were supposed to be working for me, I clicked it up and at the end of the day, what the? You guys don't know. So I started hardly order. This is just one little snippet because the brother's got what to say as well. Came together hooking up with different fellas, different men, different brothers, different uncles and brothers. I saw myself in every single one of them. Where I'm not just walking the same way. I'm not just walking the same book. What I'm saying has already been said. Whatever you think about has already been thought about. Whatever you think you're feeling or feel what you're thinking has already